Hello and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis here on the Vechain chart. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is holding below the 20-day MA here on the 4-hour chart, which is now acting as a resistance. We have also continued to hold above this ascending trend line, where you can see that we have more than 3 touch points. And using this trend line, I also have a chart pattern that is also information that could possibly give us a breakout to the upper side, where we can have this as the first bottom because the chart pattern is a double bottom. Then we saw the formation of the neckline, then the second bottom. And there are chances that in case we continue seeing an increase in the buying pressure here on the Vechain chart and we continue unlocking higher prices, then there are chances that we are going to see the breakout to the upper side, whose minimum target areas for the breakout can be given by the height between the neckline and the bottoms. And I can get that height and then place it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area at around the $0.02142 mark. And that is the minimum that we can expect Vechain to do in case we see the breakout to the upper side. But in case we continue seeing further breakdown and maybe at some point we lose our ascending trend line over here, then that will be suggesting even further breakdown and an even more bearish scenario here on the Vechain chart. And to better understand that, I want to give you my analysis basing it on the Elliot structures here on the Vechain chart, where you can see that after seeing our December lows down here, we started seeing higher prices in this 5-wave structure to the upside, where we saw the formation of that wave 5 giving us a peak at around the $0.03244 mark, in a move that also completed the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. Then we started a corrective structure in the formation of a larger Elliot wave count 2, whose minimum target areas I have marked on the charts using this blue target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.78, which is an area that we have fully maximized. And at some point we even lost the fib level 0.78, but I'm still giving it the benefit of doubt because there are chances that we could still get that pump in the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 3, since we have fully done whatever we expected this second wave to the lower side to do. And for that move to also happen, I think that wholly depends on what Bitcoin is doing, because in case Bitcoin continues to give us further breakdown, then that would be suggesting that even Vechain is going to continue seeing further breakdown, and at some point we are going to lose our ascending trend line, lose also key areas of support and resistances, and at some point we might even see a reset of this bear market low that we made here at around the $0.01522 mark. So we need to be prepared for such a scenario on the worst case scenario. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 40 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices, but in case further breakdown continues, that will still be supported. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bearish cross suggesting further breakdown, so let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.